Well, the custodians disinfect bathrooms every night. And they also, 3 times a day, they disinfect all touch areas in the hallways, in the office areas, every entranceway to the school. The philosophy behind fogging is, so you've got your virus in the air, and it's there for hours. And when you fog, the fogging goes up into the air and attaches itself to the virus and kills it. It also goes up into the HVAC system and kills it in there too. You can go into the room that's been infected, and we can fog the room, and we can go back into the room within a half hour to an hour. The product that we use to fog is called Decon7. The reason why it's called Decon7 is because it's got a log kill of 7, which is as high as you can go. Right now, disinfecting 3 times a day is our big thing that we do. We fog whenever we get a case of COVID-19.